what all in the revision, what all things we study, all the questions, all the answers what we completed from the completed chapters, we'll study it and we'll revise it. Okay children, worksheet 2 we solved in the previous class. We'll start with the revision worksheet today. Okay, in this revision worksheet we can see all the completed chapters. Okay, almost all we finished off the 10 chapters. Yes, you all know that 10 chapters we finished off. That all will be the interesting chapters we studied about our body, about our self, myself we studied, and what all parts we have we studied. Okay, and we studied about how to keep ourselves clean, and what all good manners are there, what all bad manners are there, and what is the school, what is the festivals we studied. Yes, these are all things we studied in this, and that all will be the interesting only. Now we'll do the revision on all the chapters, what all we completed. Now we'll do the revision of that all things. Okay, we'll start with the revision worksheet today. Revision worksheet. In that, A, answer the following questions. Okay, answer the following questions. What all things are there, what all answers we have to write, we have to complete it. First question, write 2 things you do to keep yourself clean. What we have to do to keep ourselves clean, how we have to maintain cleanliness of our body. Okay, what is the first question? Write, I am writing question also. Write 2 things you do to keep yourself clean. Okay, answer. How you are maintaining yourself? What you have to do daily? We have to take a bath daily. Every day we have to take a bath. After that, wear clean clothes. We have to wear the new, not new, the clean clothes, washed clothes we have to wear every day. Okay, the first one is take a every day. Second one, wear clean clothes. This is the way to keep ourselves clean. This is the first step. We have to maintain ourselves to be clean. Okay. The next question. Write 2 ways in which you keep yourself, the places around you clean. Now we'll see about the place surrounding us, how to keep it clean. Okay. How you will keep your surrounding clean, children? Yes. We have to keep our room clean. Okay. Our room we have to keep it clean and tidy. Okay. We have to maintain the rack. We have to keep everything, what all things are there which we use it daily, that we have to keep it in the proper manner. Okay. Next one, throw all the waste in the dustbin. Don't throw the wastes in the clean places. Throw it in the dustbin only. Maintain the dustbin. Okay. And keep your home clean. How you will maintain yourself? Now, like that you have to maintain your surrounding also. Which you places around you clean. Around you clean. Okay. The first one. What is the first one? Keep your room clean and tidy. Clean and tidy. Second Second one, you have to throw the waste in the dustbin. Throw the waste in the dustbin. How you will maintain yourself now? Like that we have to maintain our surrounding also. Okay. The third question. Now we'll move on to the third question, children. Okay. Now copy these two questions in your classwork. You have to revise the worksheet in your classwork only. Okay. Third question. We'll move on to the third question now. Third one, write 2 food items, 2 food habits, rules, okay, not habits, rules that keep you healthy, and happy. Keep you healthy and happy. What are the 2 food rules you have to maintain to be healthy and happy? Okay, what we have to do, children? We have to eat a healthy food daily. Don't eat junk foods or outside food. What is available outside now? Don't eat that. Eat healthy food only to maintain yourself healthy and happy. Next one, eat all kinds of fruits and vegetables. Don't tell that I will not eat that one and I will not eat this vegetable or that fruit. Eat all the vegetable which is available to you. Eat that all kinds of vegetables which gives you strength, which gives you healthy, okay, healthy body. Please eat all the types of food, fruits and vegetables. First one, write 2 rules, food rules. The first rule is eat food on time. Always we have to eat food on time. Don't skip food. Okay, after having breakfast, only you have to leave 2 to 3 hours gap in between that. If you are having breakfast at 9 o'clock, have the lunch at 1, before 1. If you are having lunch at 1, have the dinner before 8 or 8. That will be in the manner only. Don't skip the food. Have it properly. Okay. And too much food also is dangerous for your body. So maintain the what we say, the food habits. Okay. Maintain it properly and have the healthy food. Next one. Eat all kinds of fruits and vegetables. I told you just now, don't leave any kinds of fruits or vegetables because all contain some types of vitamins or some types of proteins that will help your body to be healthy. So have all the types of fruits, all the types of vegetables which is available to you. Have it. Copy this one. Okay. These are the some questions they given in your revision worksheet. Okay. Next we'll move on to the next main, that is name 2. Name 2. We'll move on to the B part now. Copy it. Okay. We'll move on to the next one, that is name 2. They given us some questions there. We have to write the correct answer. Okay. In single word only. Body parts that help you know the world around you. Which body parts help you to see around, hear or smell or feel? Which all that things? We have 5 main major body parts which help us to sense the nature. Okay, that all. Which are those? The first one, the B part, name 2. body parts that help you know the world around you. World around you. Okay, the first one, which is the first body part we have? Eyes, which help us to what? Which help us to see around. Eyes, which help us to see. Next one, ears, which help us to hear the sound. Next one, tongue, which help us to feel the taste or sensation. Okay, the skin, which make us to feel the surrounding. Next one, nose, which help us to smell the things. These are the body parts which help us to know about the world and feel the things around us. Next one, rooms in the house. Which all rooms we have in our house? Second question. Rooms in a house. Rooms in a house. Which all rooms you all have? First one, bedroom, common. All of you have now this room. Bedroom we have. Yes. Kitchen. In all house we have kitchen. Yes. Drawing room. This will be the optional if you have it, or else this will be the common room only. Next one, dining room. This is also a common. It's not a compulsory one. Some will have, some will not have. Okay. Dining room. Next one. Dining room. Next one, study. Last one, bathroom. These are the rooms which we have in our house. Okay. This is the second answer. Please copy it. We'll move on to the third one now. Copy these two answers now. Third question. Cereals. Which all are cereals? Which we know. Cereals. Okay. Yesterday only I told you what is the meaning of pulses, what is the meaning of cereals. Now the third one, cereals. Which all cereals you know, children? Which all cereals you know? Commonly we have cereals. We have a rice, we all know, and daily we use the rice. And wheat, yes, we use the wheat. And the jar and bajra. These are all things we use it daily. These all are what? Cereals. Fourth question. Festival. The next question is what? Festival. Is it interesting? You all feel happy now when it comes to the festival part, because we celebrate it with so much of happiness, so much of fun. So, which all festivals you know? Diwali, yes. Pongal, Dashera, and Eid. Eid we celebrate, and Onam, and the one more is Christmas. These all are a festival we all celebrate. Yes, these all are the festivals which we celebrate it with a full happiness and full fun. Next one. Copy this one. Next one. We'll move on to the next one. Complete the passage by filling in the blanks. in the previous worksheet also they given this type of a passage and they given a fill in the blanks there. Just we have to go on filling the blanks. Some people in the big dash live in the big houses or a tall multi-stored dash in small towns. Cities and dash people live in small. They given a space there. What is the sentence? You have to complete that sentence with a blanks. Which will they given the blanks now? We have to complete that blanks. So some people in a big cities live in big houses or tall multi-stored apartments in small towns and cities and villages. People live in small houses okay. These are the some of the blanks they given now. We filled it. Okay. Some people in the big houses, cities live in the big houses and tall multi-stored apartments in small town cities and villages. People live in small houses and huts. Okay. These are the blanks. We filled off now, children. Okay. Copy this one. Correctly the blanks which we completed, please copy that correctly in your classwork and finish off this in your classwork. Okay, till now we finished the worksheet. Now you have to copy this correctly in your classwork. We'll meet you in the next class, children. Complete this and we'll solve the worksheet in the next class. Meet you tomorrow, children. Bye.